Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to create a maze game using PowerPoint. So first of all you need to enter to PowerPoint and you can create an introduction slide like this. For example, I wrote let's play. You can add a picture, you can change the font, the size of your text. Then you create a second slide in which you will need to add a start button, a finish button. You will create the way that your mouse will have to follow, like this, using rectangles. In this case, I used 4, but you can create the way you want. Then you need to add a third slide in which you will write something like you lose, and a fourth slide. For example, I wrote you won. In the third and in the fourth slide, as you can see here, I add a retry button so as to play again. So, if we go back to this slide, as you can see here, the background, this color in the background is a square with the side of the slide. So you click on this square, you go to Insertar, you click on Action, and you go to Acción del Mouse. Here you click on Hipervínculo, and you go to Diapositiva Siguiente. You click on Aceptar, and then you do the same with Finish. You click on Action, you click on Acción del Mouse, then Hipervínculo, and then in this case you will choose the option Última Diapositiva, which is the one that says you won. You click again on Aceptar, and then you will do something similar in this case, in which you will select this button, you will go to Hipervínculo, you will click on Lugar de este documento, and you will choose Diapositiva 2, which is the game. You click on Aceptar, and you will do the same here. You click on the button, you go to Hipervínculo, Lugar de este documento, Diapositiva 2, and you click on Aceptar. So, when we play the game, as in this case, this is the introduction, and this is the game. So, if you go like this and you follow the way, you will arrive to finish and you win. We can click on retry, and what happened if we cannot follow the line and we go like this? We lose. So we can go again to the game and start it again. So this is a really good game to play with students. For example, if you are teaching a second language, you can play this game with your students, and for example, if they are not able to follow the line, they can answer a question related to the topic. So I hope you find it interesting, useful, and that's it. This is very, very easy to do. I hope you like it, and leave your comments, and that's it. Bye bye and thank you.